Alrighty, so discussion discussion 8 in Intro to Philosophy. We are in knowledge part 2, and we will be doing topic number 2. Empirists believe that all substantive knowledge comes from experience. Rationalists deny this and holds that some substantive knowledge comes from reason itself or intuition. What do you think? Does all knowledge, apart from conceptual truth and logic, come from experience? I'm actually going to have to personally side with the empirist on this, because I've had a pretty long life so far at 37. I have a lot of varied experiences in that life, and where I've definitely had to navigate through a lot of unknown territory and try to figure certain things out myself. I had a lot of training around these scenarios in which to build a framework to give myself left and right limits of what is acceptable, improvising, what going off script means. So when you have a lot of room to work within a left and right limit scenario, you're given a lot of room to work on based on initiative, and you get to figure out a lot of things out yourself. But so in the military, they train you how to operate in those scenarios. So even things that you're not necessarily trained for, something in your training can translate to this. So I still consider that kind of experience-based intuition. So I would believe that even intuition does still come from experience. So yeah, I'm an empirist. Even things that don't necessarily seem like connected knowledge can still be connected knowledge. So there's that. So I don't know, maybe there's a few things that we can kind of just figure out with no prior knowledge, training, education, or dealing with the scenario. Like, at some point, most people above the age of 15 completely understand that meat comes from dead animals and that you have to cook, and that fire is a thing that exists. So if you throw them out into the wilderness, there's a better than likely chance that as long as like weather keeps okay, they can kind of figure something out for survival. So there's that. Like, it still builds on a knowledge basis, but you would still have to be able to construct, have a decently intuitive mind, to figure out unknown scenarios and scenarios not covered explicitly in your training, and how to take that experience and knowledge and apply it to something that maybe it's not necessarily meant for. So yeah, sorry for dragging this one on for so long, but yeah, I'm gonna say that I'm empirist at heart.